Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kajingya tai helor ka National Education Policy arajar arpho kadang yai beteng wala ka nihu kaladap ban penbena bahkan pentrei kam ya ka nadu ka samai ka bamenta. Nakaliang ginong elam ka nihu su bat ka nyotrap youth council menta ka sngi kle kendo yo vice chancellor ka nihu Uprabha Shankar Shukla helor ka National Education Policy. Nakaliang kinong thok khubor habaya kren bat vice chancellor ka school ba nehu hadin ka jinge kendo bat kinong ilam ka nehu su bat ka HYC ula ong ba am dan kano kuno ka jinge banya kendo ye kinong ilam jong kinong hikai ni kino ki bakwa ban tip kham banya halor ka national education policy bat ukloy ban pen sngotu yaki ule tho ru ba shen un sakhot ye ka jinge lang bat ki principal kinong ilam jong ki kinhon kinong hikai ki kinhon ki samla pule bat ki wei banya tai sani bha ha ka be dei bat ka jing pentrai kam ya ka national education policy bat ye ka jing lang un sakhot hashwa ka sngi rakhe ye ka jing light load kari India Professor Shukla ula pen pau bakarai ban pentrai kam ni ka NEP kam dei ka bakirke Henry ka dei ka balayaj nado basdang bat ka jing ye kendo halor ka ni ka layaj de ki bon posin nakaliang vice chancellor ka nehu ula pen shai baka executive council but kam day ka academic council jong university ka bandai ka bor ka bahalor ban shim ye ka rai ban pentre kam ya ka national education policy.
First of all, welcome to all the member of the जो है NESU, also the जो है HYC. Ask him what is their queries. First they ask their queries, and after the जो है their queries, then I will be in position to say something. No, how can I satisfy the queries of the any organization? Just like KCU already जो है met me, I already satisfied the KCU, and he's agree, he's fully agree. Just like जो है in the morning NESU and also the HYC. So I just even speak in detail about the जो है NEP 2020 is the जो है mandate of the government of India, Ministry of Education. And the university was informed that the NEP 2020 has due approval of the जो है cabinet on 29/7/2020 and to disseminate to all institutions, CFTIs, bodies under their administrative control. And the university is not empowered to install implementation of the जो है NEP 2020 for a long period of the जो है time. And the 175th Executive Council has approved adoption of the NEP 2020 in its जो है meeting held in 2020 based on the recommendation of the 104th Academic Council जो है Council and its adoption. And the 104th Academic Council also recommended to set up a task force for effective implementation of the जो है NEP. Subsequently, the 175th Executive Council authorized the chairman to the Executive Council to constitute the task force. And after my joining, under the chairmanship of Professor S.M. Sungo, we already जो है constitute a committee for implementation of the new education policy. And she already did a rigorous effort in the interest of the young generation of the Meghalaya. And after the rigorous effort, last year we have already जो है taken a decision to implement the new education policy for जो है PG student. And after the implementation of new education for the PG student, this is smoothly going on. After that, even the chairman of the task force committee and myself also, and Tura pupil also conducted the several meetings with the principals of the colleges, teachers colleges to aware about the जो है new education policy, and also to aware the जो है student what are the benefit of the जो है new education policy. After that, I think 30 to 35 meetings conducted in the state before the implementation of the new education policy. Government of Meghalaya जो secretary education जो है called me for conduction of the meeting. Even we satisfy all the queries of the state government. And in that meeting, clearly announced that the university is going to implement new education policy from the session of 2023-24 for UG students. In between, Samona Ladji, I don't know, raised the question कि all the colleges are not ready to implement the new education policy. Again, I conducted the meeting along with my experts to the state government, and we already find the amicable way. If some colleges are not interested, so there is a choice. If they are not ready to implement the new education policy from this session, they can implement from the next session. But I can say, either he is going to implement the new education policy from this session, my young generation, or I can say the student of the Meghalaya will be benefited. In any cases, it might be maybe some colleges don't have the facility something, so they have the choice. But my humble request to all the principals, that's why we, after implementation, called a meeting with the principals of the all the principals of the affiliated colleges, and 73 principals attended the meeting. Few are online and rest of the offline, and raised the more than 20 questions. This is the document, more than 20 questions. I just ask the principals, what is your queries? Why you are not interested to implement the new education policy? So I will clear your queries. Even they raise the 20 questions. We have all the documents and question and answer of all the this is the document. So after that, all the principal, after discussion deliberations, in the last, ask the principal, all of you are agree to implement the new education policy. Principal shows their interest and raise the hand. Yes, we are agree to implement the new education policy in the interest of, again I am repeating my same sentence, in the interest of the student of the Meghalaya. I don't know what happened after this. Even if he have some query, I am ready to discuss him. Again sit together and discuss, then we will find the amicable solution. Why they are boycotting the classes, I don't know. I can't say any sentence about this. But I am again ready to discuss with the any teachers, any principal, any officers of the Meghalaya to implement already implemented, to find out the problems for implementation of new education policy. Even we already constituted a committee, ESL, for implementation of the new education, going to conduct a training program. If any principal are ready to take training, most welcome in the campus of the NEHU. So NEHU is ready to provide all the kinds of support for implementation of the new education policy. Just like I can just read the some questions raised by the principals. If you have the time, just like the first question raised by the principal, how can the college administrator, the MDC, SEC, ABC, AEC program for which it may not have the relevant expertise? The answer is, the academic council approved the contents that have been shared with the colleges are basically introductory level course in the nature, and the suggested readings materials have also been provided with, such as many may be effectively handled in the class with little preparation. But preparation is required. We are going to implement anything. So first we know what is the things. So this is the work of the teacher. He must take initiative. Definitely he can and he will be in position to teach in the colleges, to teach in the classes, and also motivate the our young generation. The second question, how can a single faculty colleges cope the MDC program? and university taken the decision, the university has circulated 10 MDC programs and colleges can opt to over only those few from amongst them for which they are in possession of the required expertise. It's up to the colleges. We have the 10 choice. Anyone he can apply. He can select. And another thing is, colleges are not required to offer all the 10 MDC programs that have so far been shared with them. One or two courses that's sufficient. And the third question raised by the principals, will the suggested SEC program enhance the learner's skills base in the meaningful way? To begin with, the SEC programs now introduce are soft skill course and is expected to be the use of the learners in job market, especially if they opt the exit with a certificate, first year, diploma, second year, and degree, third year. Fourth year is only for those students who is interested in higher education. The fourth year is not required for all the students. Higher education or research purpose. They can also, even after completion of the directly go for the research purpose. And another question is, just like one more question, the bill implementation of FY UP, मतलब 5 year undergraduate program scheme necessitate immediate upgrading of the infrastructure and faculty strength at the colleges. This is also the concern of the college teachers. As far as the university is concerned, the colleges shall be granted a time space of 3 academic years with effect from the current one to enable them upgrade their infrastructure, status and faculty position to enable them service the course they are offering in full compliance to all the relevant rules and regulations of the university. And there is infrastructure is required from the first year. Another thing is, some principal also ask, I would like to even, we have 20 questions, we can also, if you want to even publish in the paper, I can provide you the question and answers of all the queries. And that is, and can the university organize a faculty workshop on CBCS? Yes. University shall be happy to organize a master trainers workshop, who is turn can organize trainers workshop at their respective institute. And we already planned, we already circulated the letter to the in charge of the implementation cell, conduct a meeting workshop program for implementation of the new education policy. If anybody have any kind of problem, so I am ready to provide him. And another thing, how does the college register itself in the ABC schemes? Some also arise the question, and this is already pending since 2016. And our students are facing the problem. Even I can show the one email sent by the some student. He want to shift from the some foreign countries to the Ceylon. But due to the lack of the ABC, he cannot shift. And our student will be, even in future, our student can also shift from the this country to other country on the base of credit system, choice based credit system. They can even, science background student can also learn the arts or culture. Culture student can also learn the arts and science and technologies. So it's totally student friendly and students choice based course. Students have all the kinds of fitness. They can exit, they can enter. But there is a locking period, but not beyond the 7 years. Just like after taking the admission in first year, completion of the first year, he can exit with the certificate course. After even earning the some money from the sources and working, they can again join. Third year, they can receive the diploma course. He can again exit. After one, he can again join them. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ फैसिलिटीज was not available in जो है previous education system. तो दिस इज ए मतलब स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली एजुकेशन सिस्टम और जो है अगेंस्ट द स्टूडेंट जो है एजुकेशन सिस्टम. आई होप कि दिस इज अ स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली एजुकेशन सिस्टम. Have three bodies. Top apex body is court, and local member of parliament is also member of that. Okay, we will conduct the court meeting in the month of December. Second body after the court, the executive council. Executive council itself reflects. Education means what? Education means whatever the past, whatever the जो है rules जो है discuss in the academic council pass नहीं, applied by the executive council. And before the putting anything in the executive council, there is a BOS. BOS means Board of Studies. All the schools have the Board of Studies. So courses and contents were prepared and first passed by the जो है Board of Schools, put up into academic council for common discussions. And we already have a ordinance committee. Ordinance committee going to जो है prepare the ordinance rule for implementation of the जो है new education policy. So ordinance committee prepared the ordinance and put up both the things put up in the academic council. We discuss a lot, and the suggestion given by the members also incorporated in the जो है academic council में. But academic councils are not in a position to take a decision for the execution of the anything. Academic council going to pass the rules, already passed the rules. Same thing put up in the जो है executive council. These rules have been already passed by the academic council जो है. तो what is the after the thorough discussion, then executive council जो है taken decision for implementation of the new education policy from the session of जो है 2023-21, क्योंकि we are already जो है late 3 year. We are already 3 year late. Even though not going to implement the, so definitely in the future our young generation will be the जो है suffer. That's why all the teachers and others, why if you are not, I can't say. I don't have any idea about that, why he is getting that. Yes, I am ready to discuss with the जो है anyone who is against the implementation of the जो है new education policy. They can raise the question, they can send me the mail जो है, I am ready to give him the reply. But I can say, new education policy NEP 2020 is in favor of our जो है young generation. One more thing, if you just give me the 2-minute time. After the PG student, we already did a lot of work for employment of our young generation. And today I can say, I am in position, and we have already signed the MOU with more than 5 MNCs of the country, and they are ready to conduct the employment fair in the campus of the NEHU. And they have more than 5,000 vacancies. So it is my humble request to all of you, propagate this message. I think in the second week of the August, I am going to conduct a employment mela under the new education policy for giving a chance to our student. It is their choice. The first going to जो है involve the जो है campus student. My campus, but actually giving the first performance to the campus. Second, also going to involve the जो है affiliated colleges of the NEHU. The second reason, even though if the colleges are also not, it may be chance. He or she can raise the question. I am also going to involve the society people. So this is my intention to implement the new education policy and provide the job opportunities to our generation.
So when do you plan to convene this meeting with the concerned?
I am going to discuss with the members or the NEP implementation cell is here, no? तो विल बी डिस्कस द NEP implementation cells and others जो है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यू नो द इंटरव्यूज ऑलरेडी गोइंग, तो इन द नेक्स्ट वीक इंटरव्यू इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, बट इन बिटवीन बट बिफोर आई थिंक बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस डे जो है आई विल बी इन पोजिशन टू जो है कंडक्ट ए कॉमन मीटिंग. इवन इन बिटवीन एनी वन कैन डिस्कस, आई एम रेडी टू डिस्कस जो है अबाउट द जो है queries raising or raised by the जो है members of the affiliated colleges or the जो है from the any group or the NGOs or anyone which to discuss जो है anyone.
So just one more clarity. You have not split discussion.
Actually, yeah, our discussion was already started in the जो है academic council, but some are for and some are against, so there is a clash between them. That's why I clearly state in the academic council meeting, we are going to the approved rules and regulations. After our rules and regulations जो है, we will discuss this thing in the executive council for the implementation of the new education policy. I think same will also be जो है mentioned by the जो है some association I read into the जो है media or paper Sri Lanka Times.
There was a slide, there was one mistake on Nepal University for issued a notification very late. Should have done it by March, but till July they issue to allow the college that we are going ahead with this present from the next academic session. Do you feel that is a part, there's some mistake on Nepal University for issuing date, they feel very late to implement anything?
Actually, this is not a late. This is already announced in 2021-22 at the time of implementation of NEP for the PG student. Today he is saying no. We already, even this is not, we already have the record. The work is already started and academic council and your executive council also approved and discussed in the past. 104 executive council जो है academic council, and they are fully adapted जो है, going to adopt the जो है new education policy, and also at the time of implementation of the जो है PG student, and clearly stated for PG student going to implement जो है, क्योंकि PG is a small group, to know the जो है impact of the new education policy. तो first adapted for the PG student जो है, so we can already easily convince the जो है PG student, and PG students also more mature than the UG student, and all the PG students, no one going to raise the questions. And after at that time PG for this year and UG for the जो है next academic session. But nothing was anything passed. That's why he is raising the question. But this is not a new thing. That's why I'm saying no. We are already 3 years late. And even if they are not going to implement this education policy for the जो है UG student, definitely I can say, just like at the time of the जो है discussion with the जो है HYNC and NESU, our young generation will be the sufferer. And Professor Sungu clearly stated that our young generation will be the sufferer. Even though colleges have the choice, everything is already open and transparent. In the interest of the, that's why I'm always going to say and discussing in the meeting, but we are the academicians shaping the future of our young generation. It is our duty to take a right decision at right time. That's why government is also interested, and I think sometime our CM and Education Minister also spoken that the new education policy is in the interest of the our young generation. That's why implemented from this system.
One last question. Will be inviting them personally?
I already, you are already clearly mentioned that I am already ready to discuss anytime. Even today I already called him but why they are they not even participated the meeting, I can't say. But again, I am again to see. Whenever he time, I am ready to discuss.
Any official invitation?
Yeah.
Official invitation from the VC office for the SMT to come for talks.
Actually, देखिए, MCT is not directly under the our colleges are not directly under the my jurisdiction. So officially I cannot say, but unofficially I am ready to discuss this. But state government say no, the state government can organize. That's why in the past state government organized 2 to 3 meetings. We are there. Our experts are there. Satisfied thing. And actually, he already wrote a letter to me. I'm ready to discuss. Already even today appointed him, given him the time. But no one will turn up. So I'm always ready to discuss, not only the IJ, anyone. So there is, yeah.
Oh, I forgot one. Do you think that the decision of the university to go implement the policy on hybrid mode will be a disparity for the other students?
No,
Where the
no.
colleges-
Actually, Professor Singh clearly जो है even stated with the meeting of the जो है NSCC. There is no any disparity. CUT is minimum qualification for the admission in the PG program, no? So any student can join the CUT जो है. According to जो है merit of the CUT, he or she can take the admission in the PG courses. So there is no any ambiguity.
So do you feel that all colleges should be implementing this NEP?
Actually, as I experience and discussion made with the जो है principals meeting जो है held on जो है 21st July, I hope so. Except few rest of the जो है maximum जो है colleges are going to implement that, and I am ready to help. Except the money, because I don't have the money. No colleges don't have this. Technical thing I can help.
But now if you say the hybrid mode, there are colleges will be running 3 years course and there are colleges running 4 years. There will be, how do you manage that?
No matter of 3-year course and 4-year course. It clearly stated no. 3-year course. Still we have the 3 years course. Certificate, diploma and degree. This is 3 year no. 4th year is only for those students who is interested in research areas or higher education. If student is going to complete the 4 years, so the PG for the student only 1 year. Those student who is going to complete the degree program in 3 year, PG program for 2 year. This is the difference, nothing else.
Okay.
But time is equal. There is no any other difference.
Okay, now it's clear.
Yeah.